218 Grow Guy here, coming at you with a quick update, a follow-up to my yesterday's maintenance. And yesterday, I kind of noticed in the video that my girls was looking pretty sad. So I just kind of wanted to do an update to that video, just to kind of show you where they at today and they back in their happy place. So looking at the girls today, as you can see, they are looking much better, looking much healthier. Once again, they do bounce back pretty well. So as I was taking those fan leaves off, once again, they did look a little bit sad at what I was doing, but once again, they tend to recover pretty well. And as you can see, I kind of got my neck going on now, kind of holding that one down, giving these a chance to catch up, and they're going to get bigger and bigger each day. As you can see, this one over here is already starting to tease the net a little bit. That one's coming along, and as you can kind of see the structure of her, as you can see, I think these are going to be kind of one of those girls that's going to grow where you're going to see kind of these sites kind of go up and start chasing the light. So I'll be trying to create as many sites as I can, and I always say only the strong will survive. So the ones that stretch the farthest kind of live the longest. The ones that kind of stays low, they got to go. But like I said, she bounced back pretty well. All the leaves are up. All the leaves are green. All the leaves are happy. Like I said, this one here, this is just going to be, like I said, I never grew a plant that looked like this before. So I think I'm just going to keep on trying to keep it open and keep as much light as I can going down to the center of that plant. But yeah, 218 Grow Guy here just saying that, the girls bounced back very well for day two. So once again, as always, if you find something helpful in this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate that. Once again, 218 Grow Guy here saying stay blessed up. Keep your eyes to the skies because the good Lord is always looking down on us. With that said, 218 Grow Guy, I'm out of here.